we're going to learn a new word, se, which is a certain letter, se. It's like in English, S, as in stop, say, pass, sorry. And again, it has 4 forms: front connecting, middle connecting, back connecting, and alone form. So the front connecting, I made example, siz, and or samsak, garlic, or sen, you. This also means you, and sen, sis, but sis is formal one, like more polite, and then this is informal with someone you're closer with. And for the middle connecting form, رخصات or مصر, مصر, Misr is Egypt. So here you can see this is the middle connecting form. And or sestra means a nurse, or classes you do, like for example classes, like you do it like this, like it's a verb. And then sis is the suffix of the second person. And back connecting form is feeling, is English, like intuition or something like that. And what else? We have a lot of front connecting, like yasin, like sad, ras. For the back connecting, let me find something. Hollis, like voluntarily, like something like that. It also means name. What else? I'll find it later, but yeah. And then alone form, pass, low. It means low. And test, difficult. Yeah, so you can see it here, alone form. And these are the word se, 4 forms, 1 2 3 4. And this is front connecting, says samsar san, misr qilsiz, like this one it says khalas, past tense. And I think that's it. Thank you.